What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses Palette and Gardening Edition. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I'm also excited because we have an unboxing, which we haven't done an unboxing in a long time, but I'm also excited about this one. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 Boom, 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 boom. How y'all doing, great people? For those that are new to the channel, hello. My name is Ricky Jones Jr. and I love doing gardening videos and other different videos like it. So if you are new to the channel, please click that red button, turn it into a gray button, because I promise you it's going to be so many fun things that you want to be a part of on this here channel. And starting with this unboxing, which, like I said, it's been a while since I've done an unboxing. However, I have been talking to my friend Lala Crops, which also does YouTube as well. I'll put a link below down for her page, and I was asking her about grow lights and just finding out and figuring out what I need to do, which one I need to get to do what I want to do, which is grow seedlings inside, because now the weather's starting to change. Of course, with fall taking place, winter on the horizon. Probably not here, but maybe for you, because I am in Florida, so we really don't get winters. We just get brisk weather. But nonetheless, what I wanted to do was grow seedlings inside, because doing so, you get to have a consistent amount of sunlight or light that will encourage your seeds to grow up into seedlings that then you can go ahead and plant out into the garden. And I don't know if you noticed, but I've shown different videos of me going to Home Depot to buy different seedlings and things like that, and the prices actually have gone up, which I think it's like a 75-cent increase, which may not be much to you. However, when you are growing and planting as much as I do, that can add up so very quickly. So I said to myself, you need to go ahead and order more seeds, buy more seeds, as well as create a way to grow your seeds in the way in which you also desire. And grow lights was the way that I am going to go about it. So without further ado, I'm gonna go, okay, you know, Amazon is fancy now. Like, you just rip it open like so, and boom shakalaka, I have what I have ordered, which are some grow lights, which I'll put a link below for these particular grow lights, as I am recommending them to you. And so the box is very nice, okay? This is not a paid advertisement. However, company, if you want to talk to your boy, let's go ahead and do some work together. However, the grow lights come just like this. And like I said, I'm going to grow them indoors, which them being the seeds. And so I had to come up with a way, which I'm excited about the way in which I'm going to do that. This video is all about the unboxing. I'll show you my setup for indoors and how I'm going to actually grow these seeds indoors, as well as I'll even show you in this video what the light colors look like. But anyway, so it looks like this. I got the one where it clamps onto whatever necessary it is to hold these things to. And so what it then has are your lights that, you know, you can point in either direction, either which way of a direction you want to point them in. So essentially you can have a light growing something like that, a light growing something right there, and then a light growing something right there, a light growing something like tentacles, okay, like an octopus's tentacles. But nonetheless, it works like that. And then even on the mechanism down here, there are different settings in which you can have it set to a timer of 3 hours, 9 hours, and 12 hours, okay? And then it'll cut off. Now, you may be wondering, why, Ricky, did you choose this one? I've seen like those ultraviolet, like tubular type lights that some people do have and even recommend on YouTube. Well, after doing all the different research that I did, I found this to be the ideal one, largely because there are 3 different color modes, okay? And the 3 different color modes provide 3 different opportunities for your plants to grow. And I'll even show you the different colors on the inside of the house with the lights off, how they look, you know, according to the lights. However, with the full spectrum, it is suitable for rooting and germination of plants, okay? Boom, that color right there. And then when you have the red, blue, and warm and yellow lights, this enhances the photosynthesis and it's best to fuel the growth of your plants, as well as it enhances the color, taste, and smell of your plants, okay? That's for that red, blue, and warm yellow. And then you have the red and blue light, okay? And this is great for photosynthesis, as well as it increases the growth of your indoor plants, and it also is used for flowering and fruiting, okay? So with the 3 color modes that you get to have with these lights, it then allows for you to do is specifically what you want to do, which of course, like I said, the main purpose of me doing this here and having this here is for germination of my seedlings. However, if I wanted to continue to push it to flowering or produce it to potentially harvesting things, I could do so. I probably just have to like increase the height of the lights as it pertains to the plant itself, you know, because when it's first like growing, it can be pretty low because you don't have, well, the seed doesn't have far to grow. But as the seed grows and the seedling starts to grow, you just increase the height that the light is hitting it directly on, and then you'll have the growth that you also desire. So I'm so excited. Like currently, if you all don't know, I do have a whole like seed starting area in the backyard in which I do my seed starters right now. However, with sun being what the sun is doing, weather being what the weather is doing, I wanted a more consistent type situation, okay? And these grow lights are going to be the way. And I said I was gonna wait, but let me just tell you, ideally, my whole setup, okay? I'm excited about it. I'm gonna show it to you, but I want to tell you about it first. The whole site, well, if you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. I just had to say it. Smash that thumbs up button because you're excited for what I'm about to do, and I'm gonna put links below so that you can do it too. I'll put links below for both seeds that you can get that I purchased, as well as this here grow light situation. So how my situation is going to be, I'm going to have a foil pan as it is in the back where my seed starting tray is right now, and I'm gonna have my the whole seed starting trays, and then what I'm gonna do is put the trays in the foil pan, have the dirt and all that good stuff in it. And so ideally with the whole pan is going to allow me to be able to water the pan itself and then allow for the water to soak up into the seeds from the seed starting trays, okay? So what you did not hear is me say I'm gonna water overhead, which I'm not gonna do. I'm gonna water from the bottom and allow it to soak up. That's a little trick. But then also too, what I'll be able to do is put the plastic top on top of the, it's like a baking dish more than anything. And so it'll create like a humidity type, funnel type scenario, which will allow for the wet process to continue, which will allow for increased germination. Like, oh, your boy's been thinking. But that's what happens when you're like 2.5 years in the game. But nonetheless, I'm excited about the whole setup. I'm excited to show you all the setup, and more than anything, excited to show you all that you can do it too. Of course, for all my first time gardeners, my beginner gardeners, my curious gardeners, and all the like, we are all here on this here channel, so don't feel less worthy. We all try to have fun. And so here we go, great people. This is the start to something great. I've been trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it, how I want to do it, and I believe this is the way, okay? No, I'm not in jail. I'm in light heaven. See what I did there? Light heaven. All right, great people. As y'all know, I could talk all day and I can have fun with you. I hope you have fun. I hope you are encouraged. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. I'll look to read them and answer them and respond to them. Or if I don't, somebody within the comment section, please answer the question if you know the question. We all in here together, okay? What we are creating is a gardening family, and family is always here for one another. So with that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next video, or I'll see you on our live Zoom calls. If you're a part of the Gardening Squad family, we do live calls, so I can see you there. If you click that join button after clicking that subscribe button, you'll see all about it. So with that being said, I think I said I love you, but if I didn't, I love you, and know that somebody in this earth, in this world, loves you. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. So with that being said, until next time, peace.